Hello, guys. Welcome to It's Pre Time. Today, we're gonna do a Chrome life hack. Do you want to organize your tabs and think that they're too chaotic, like this, really chaotic? Then just follow these steps. First, right-click your first tab. Then, click Add Tab to New Group. Then choose a color and name your group. Then, you want to add a few more tabs to that group, just like this. And then you can make another group by doing this. Add tab to group, new group. Choose a color and name it. Then add those tabs to that group. Now just click on the little things and you have a much more organized Chrome window. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.